Do you want more than just a 3D printer? The Sintratec S2 is a modular, scalable manufacturing platform with all the power selective laser sintering has to offer. Designed with complete freedom of form, 3D print with reduced downtimes, clean your parts efficiently, recycle your powder, and repeat. No idea is too crazy, no shape too complex, no project too bold. The future of manufacturing is here. Will you be part of it?
SLS 3D printing, a powerful tool. First made accessible by our easy-to-use printer that created the fastest growing community of SLS users in the world. But lately, the world demands we iterate faster than ever. So we made our next generation printer twice as fast. Introducing Fuse 1 Plus 30 Watt, a compact SLS printer with an industrial punch. Unlock same-day printing with industrial-grade materials and nitrogen purge compatibility for in-house carbon fiber printing. Building on a reliable end-to-end workflow, Fuse 1 Plus boasts a powerful 30-watt laser that sinters prints in hours, so you can start and finish parts the same day. Re-engineered components enable the use of exclusive materials and enhance mechanical properties across our entire materials library. Plus, we reached a major milestone: zero waste printing, enabling lower cost per part so you can deliver maximum output and minimum waste, while providing whatever the world may need tomorrow and today. Fuse 1 Plus 30 Watt, industrial quality parts in hours, not days.
Many of you have been asking us about NILS 480, its features and the printouts. For those of you who cannot visit us right now here in Sinterit, we would like to present you NILS personally, guide you through the features, show you in close look how it looks like and what are the printouts. Next to me is the NILS, one of the units that we are using for calibrating and for testing of the new materials. My name is Dominik and I would like to guide you through and show you NILS a bit closer. As you can see, the chamber is way bigger than in all our other machines, and the sintering itself is done using a galvo laser. Also, you will not find here a string or a recoater that you know from our other compact line of printers. We have reinvented the recoater. We've been testing the current solution for almost a year now and have made literally millions of movements without any failure. But the most important is speed. Most of the prints you will get in around 24 hours. That's really amazing considering the large build volume. Speaking of NILS printouts, let me show you some of them. This is a real-size human skull printed on NILS. Previously on the Lisa Pro we could print only pre-surgery helps for models of child skulls. Right now we are able to print most of the adult bone structures. That's just another example, arm orthosis, fully printed in NILS. Or, just to show you the number of elements that you can get from one print job, this is a box full of oil cups that you can get from one print job in NILS. And another example that you know already from Lisa Pro, but with bigger size, Flexa Gray, printed with much better mechanical properties. We would like to invite you to meet NILS 480 in person during Formnext in Frankfurt. We will be there between 16th and 20th of November, booth 121 F09. Please come by and visit us and we will show you much more. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Adam and today I will try to show you what the printing process on Lisa X looks like. As you can see, the printing and post-processing are fast and easy, and the results are clearly fantastic. If you want to learn more about the Laser X, its applications and specifications, contact us.